See, precious, if you ever mess from your vagina, that doesn't mean that one day you will shit from your vagina. That fart sound is called queefing, and it can happen during exercise or yoga or during kiriwa. You know, during those kind of activity, air is being trapped inside the muscles of your vagina, and then you get, and it doesn't have smell, unlike the one from your anus. No, that one is a waste product of bacteria breaking down food inside your intestine. So whenever it happens next time, my dear, queef with joy, you no get issue.
Okay.
However, when your queefing is now releasing odor, now enter my page and then see the video after this one where I explained signs that you might be having vaginal yeast infection.